Hi there everyone, this is Brian with MeasureSquare. Today we're going to do a brief tutorial of how to use the custom field settings inside of our MeasureSquare CRM. We understand that everyone's business needs are different and that certain CRMs don't fit the unique needs of your team, so we allow you to create custom fields and text boxes for internal IDs or other fields like that. To get started, we'll hop over to our settings page, and from here we'll navigate down to custom fields. Along the top you can see all the different data types we have, so deals, contacts, companies. We even allow you to go down into order forms, products, and quotes. To create a new custom field, you'll have to click on the blue field button at the bottom of the data type you want to add a field to. From here you can give the field a label. We'll call it internal ID. And from here you can select a field type. So for this case we have currency for any dollar values, number if it's just a count or in this case an internal ID, percent, text, single select which gives you multiple choice options but only allows you to select one, multi-select which allows you to select multiple options, and auto-generate which creates a number and automatically counts it up one every time you create a new deal in this case or new item for this type. In this case we'll set it to text or number and we'll make it a mandatory field. Making this makes it so that you cannot create a deal unless you have a mandatory field set. And then last we have a default value. Some fields have this, namely text and number values, and from here you can edit it to whatever value you'd want to be. By clicking save, we've created a new field, and any future deals we have will have this internal ID. Likewise, you can go to deals that are already created and set that internal ID. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found this useful and thank you again for watching. Happy measuring!